send a line up there. And
Where do you think?
Pull that up.
Where are you going to send it?
Right here. Like up through there.
How high you want to go?
So however high. I'm talking about up in the middle there, if that's what you want to do.
All right, show me how you're going to do it. All right, we're at Green Bank, and Gerard is going to shoot up a line into this tree. He's just getting his lines out. We're going to set up a inverted L from Palomar up into the top of these trees. How high? Can you get up 40, 50 feet?
Yeah, easy.
Let's try to get 50, I guess, right? He's got a slingshot. I don't know if you can see this. He's a
throw ball in there. Short on string. So heads up. Coming through.
He's a professional roper. He's coming down. You were all the way on the top of that tree. There's Joe. Got the antenna all put away. Great day in the park. Lots of contacts. Lots of DX.
Short on string.
And then eventually you'll be doing it.
The call is Echo America number 5, EA5 for Alicante, South Spain. And my home call, Papa America 5, Charlie America, QSL.
Echo Alpha 5, Charlie America, EA5, CA, QSL.
Negative is.
Very much indeed, Rajan, for the call. Victor Echo 2, Mike Echo Charlie, so Whiskey 4. G0 Delta Bravo Echo is clear. And, okay, Rajan stand, Victor Echo 2, QRZ again.
Right, Echo 5 in my computer, Kilo Delta 2, Yankee, Sierra, Tango. Roger. My name is Mario, my friend. You are calling from Verona, North Italy. Okay, you are 5 by 6, 5 by 7 about. Okay, I read your name, Scott. Back to you, Scott. Over.
Yes, Mario, very nice to meet you. We are transmitting from a park in Wharton State Forest with a end feed dipole in the tree with 100 watts. Over.
Okay. At the moment, I have some problem to understand all what you have said because my English is badly. So, and other things is that the slang.
Mullica River in Wharton State Forest. We just finished doing a setup here at Wharton State Forest. Made contacts on 20, 15, 10, and on all bands. Beautiful, beautiful fall day. Some of the boys right here coming down. Rod and Joe. Right? Beautiful fall day.